Welcome to Creator's Toolbox channel. Creating a flying airplane and a sailing ship in Canva.
We can actually create a flying airplane and a sailing or moving ship.
Wow.
Let me show you. Now, go to Element. Type say airplane. Taking off. Okay, let's click on photo. Okay, let's choose this one with this way, then try to align it. Let's have something like this. Now let's click
subscribe for more update.
On edit. Click on magic grab. Click on the plane. Then let's grab it. Click on grab. Okay, fine. So right now we can work with this the plane now independently. Okay, now you can highlight the plane, highlight it, click on animate, then move down. Okay, click on breathe, then move the scale to the end. Ensure you click out. Okay, now let's download. Okay, let's play together. Let's go to download. Likewise, we can do the same to ship. So let's clear out this. Go to element. Type, let's say big ship. Big ship. Fine. So let's click on this. Wow. Move it this way, then drag it to fill the space. Good. Now highlight, click on edit, click on magic grab, then grab the ship by clicking it, then click grab. Wait for some minutes. Okay, fine. Now that we have our ship separate now, we can now make the ship to move. Click, highlight the ship, click on animate, go down, click on breathe. Take your scale to the end. Ensure out is clicked. Good. Okay, let's download. Leave it in MP4 video. Download. And let's go to our download. what we have downloaded, we have created rather. So let's play what we have created.